My video guide will help you to get rid of pop-ups that say a wizard update will damage your computer. Some people see these alerts and they don't know what they mean. To be quite frank, they mean that there is certain adware in your computer, in your Mac computer, that tries to install itself into your Mac. However, your Mac OS has blocked the installation of this adware, and that's why you see this alert that says that this wizard update will damage your computer. It's a good thing that you see these pop-ups. It means that the adware was not installed. However, it still tries to install itself periodically into your Mac. That's why you may randomly see these alerts from time to time, and that's of course a very distracting experience. Of course, I recommend that you move it to the trash. Also, consider checking your available Mac applications, and if you find something suspicious here, move it to the trash right away. Sometimes the adware is concealed deep in the system and you cannot establish where exactly it is located. To make sure that there is no any adware left behind, consider scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. So after the application is downloaded, wait until the program updates its antivirus database and then click on Start Combo Scan. Combo Cleaner in its trial mode will also help you to perform the free scanning of your Mac. And by the way, some free features in Combo Cleaner trial are absolutely free, such as disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. At the end of scan, you will see the complete report about your Mac with the locations of all threads found during the scan. At the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program will give you the detailed report about the kinds of threads that were found during the scan and about their location. You may go to the antivirus section and click on the link that says Review Results. So the program will have a list of all threads found during the scan. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you the exact location of threads in Finder. You may right-click on each thread and get rid of it manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to get rid of these threads automatically. And you may click on the support button, which will lead you to a special page where you'll be able to specify your requests, including the requests about getting the free trial key for Combo Cleaner with limited functionality. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more detailed instructions on malware removal from Mac.